The best automation niches to make money on YouTube. Imagine this. Your home, your work, even your YouTube channel, all running on autopilot in a symphony of automation. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, today we're turning that dream into reality. We're diving into 7 cutting-edge automation niches that are ripe for monetization on YouTube. We'll venture from smart homes to AI and much more in between. And why should you stay with us until the end? Because we're giving you the keys to the gold mine. This video is packed with actionable insights that can skyrocket your YouTube revenue and keep you at the forefront of technological evolution. Let's get started. Number 1. Smart home automation. First on our list is smart home automation. This field is growing exponentially as homeowners continue to explore the convenience and sophistication that comes with having a fully automated home. Think about it. Everything from your lighting to your security system can be controlled by voice commands or scheduled via a mobile app. There's an undeniable charm to telling Alexa to dim the lights for a movie night. Now imagine creating content around this. You could produce in-depth, user-friendly tutorials on how to set up smart home devices, conduct product reviews of the latest gadgets, or even showcase the unique setups in your own home. The demand for this content is high, as the average consumer is always seeking out easy-to-understand guides. This niche isn't just profitable, it's also fun and interactive, bringing a touch of that Jetsons lifestyle into reality. Number 2. Robotic Process Automation, or RPA. The second niche to consider is Robotic Process Automation, or RPA. In essence, RPA is about automating repetitive tasks using bots, helping businesses save time and increase productivity. Many companies are on the hunt for RPA solutions, and you can leverage this growing demand on YouTube. You could offer comprehensive step-by-step guides on how to implement RPA, review various RPA tools, or share case studies of businesses that have successfully automated their processes. What's exciting about this niche is its wide-ranging applicability. From HR to finance, every industry can benefit from RPA. It may seem a little technical, but remember, you're helping to shape the future of business operations, and that's a thrilling prospect. Number 3. Drone automation. Our third niche is drone automation. Drones have come a long way from their humble beginnings as military devices. Today, they're used in agriculture, real estate, entertainment, and even in delivery services. With automated flight paths, drones can accomplish tasks more efficiently than ever. YouTube content centered around drone automation can be both informative and visually spectacular. Imagine filming beautiful landscapes with your automated drone, or teaching viewers how to set up pre-programmed routes. Drone automation combines technological sophistication with a spirit of adventure, making your YouTube content engaging, educational, and visually stunning. Number 4. Social media automation. Next, we have social media automation. This is a huge niche, given the pivotal role social media plays in our lives today. Businesses and influencers alike use automation tools to schedule posts, manage their profiles, and interact with their followers. As a content creator, you can educate your audience about various social media automation tools and how to use them effectively. Think about creating how-to videos on scheduling posts or automatically replying to comments. It's a niche that's both relevant and constantly evolving, ensuring your content remains fresh and engaging. Number 5. Automated email marketing. Automated email marketing is another lucrative automation niche. Email remains one of the most effective marketing tools, and automation has taken it to the next level with scheduled sends, personalized messages, and behavior-triggered emails. Your content can explore the different email marketing platforms, providing tutorials on how to set up automated campaigns, segment audiences, and analyze results. This niche allows you to empower businesses and individuals alike with effective communication strategies, adding a satisfying dimension to your content creation. Number 6. E-commerce automation. E-commerce automation comes in at number 6. This niche involves automating various aspects of an online business, such as inventory management, customer service, and marketing. By providing valuable insights into the best e-commerce automation tools, offering tutorials on their usage, and reviewing their effectiveness, you can appeal to a broad audience of e-commerce entrepreneurs. This niche is booming, and your content can help viewers navigate this dynamic landscape, saving them time and boosting their profits. Number 7. AI and machine learning. Finally, let's talk about AI and machine learning. These technologies underpin many automation trends, and their potential is truly breathtaking. They're transforming industries, from healthcare to finance to entertainment, making this a rich and diverse niche. YouTube content here can range from explaining AI concepts in a digestible format, reviewing AI-powered automation tools, or exploring the ethical implications of AI. This niche is at the cutting edge of technology, and your YouTube channel can be the gateway for viewers to understand this fascinating and complex world. There you have it, 7 automation niches that can yield significant revenue on YouTube. Remember, the key to a successful YouTube channel is providing value. Choose a niche you're passionate about, produce quality content, and you're on your way to monetizing your channel. Automation is our present and our future, and it can be your key to YouTube success. Don't just watch the future unfold, be a part of shaping it.